strides of Imago Dei, an immortal soul, and the intellectual capacities of an intelligent person, I am constantly said, hey, you're a yak. You know what, idiot? Good job. The second thing I absolutely hate, all you idiots come up to me and say, hey, I bet you know that family, the Von Trapp family. You know, they're always singing and then they escape the Nazis. Yeah, I know them. You know what, here's your interpretation of the Von Trapp family. Yes? Oh, okay, so you know how cold it gets. You can't tell me one of them didn't die. Not to mention, there are predators, hunters, and all you stupid people on skis whizzing past. Okay, let me tell you what really happened.
And you guys are complaining now. I should have just left you behind.
But I'm so tired. I'm so hungry. I want to go home.
Okay, fine. Just shut up. I'll go shoot something so we can have something to eat. Finally, please just don't go anywhere. And you boys, start building a shelter. Maria, you watch over them. I'll be back. Oh, hey! None of that singing crap, all right?
I miss my boyfriend and my cell phone.
You are a 5-year-old. How do you have a boyfriend?
Because I'm prettier than you.
Come on, Frederick. Let's go build a stupid shelter.
Hard. That's not gonna catch anything, and then we're gonna be hungry. I'm already hungry. I miss my boyfriend. Oh my gosh. Okay, he thought you were fat. He told me so. All right, let's get over it.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure he's and he's a Nazi. Just saying.
What the heck? These trees aren't even real. Hey, we're never gonna leave.
So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough.
Dough!
A deer, a female deer.
Ray!
A drop of golden sun. Me! A long way to run.
I need a rolling thread. I know to follow so. Tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough.
Hey!
A deer. Me, a deer. I call myself. A long, long way to run. So I need a rolling thread. I know to follow so. Tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough.
Maria, you had one task. One freaking task. And that was to not sing. And now, look at my kids. My two boys are prancing around like a bunch of pansies.
Alright, that's it. Someone has to pay.
Come here.
Our dogs?
You're my best friend.
You're my only
Well, now we have something to eat.
Lady, you're supposed to teach these kids, not make them idiots.
I thought if I could get them to sing, they'd be happy.
Oh, come on, drugs. Seriously, lady, you might be hot, but you're so blonde.
Alright, that's it. Everyone, let's just pack up our stuff and keep on moving.
Do you all want to die from the Nazis? Let's pick up the pace. Go, go.
Come on.
More time for singing later.
Let's go.
I know what makes you run.
Someone smack him, please.